Placing a book on hold. Now, there's a lot of books that people love to check out pretty regularly. So the best thing I can suggest, instead of coming back to check on it and see if it's here over and over again, the best thing you could do is put the book on hold. I can show you how to do that pretty easily. Number one, you've already landed on our catalog page and at Wilson Middle School, or you have already started your searching and you saw that it was checked out. Let's put it on hold. So I heard about this book and I'm just going to show it to you, Football Girl, and it's already checked out. I'm holding this for someone else. I want to get in line for Football Girl. So I'm going to type Football Girl. Look, see, I've already searched for it. It remembers. And go. Now, when we double check to make sure that is the one we want, and it is in fact checked out, and it's not due until the 29th, but I don't want to forget that I really want to read this book, so I'm going to see about putting it on hold. Let's place it on hold. That's where you will get to here. Here is where you will log in. Now, you are supposed to be able to use your district login to log in at this page. If there's any issue with trying to use that login, come to the library and ask me or Mr. Atkinson about how to do that, and we'll get you all situated. And that is how you put a book on hold.